As we step into 2026, investors are asking a blunt question. Is the worst behind us for Indian markets, or is caution still the best strategy? Motilal Oswal Wealth Management believes the answer lies somewhere in between. Not a roaring bull run, but a steadier year, backed by improving earnings, policy continuity, and early signs of private investment picking up. There's also one global trigger markets are watching closely: any progress on tariff and trade talks between India and the US. So, where does Motilal Oswal see opportunity in 2026? Which stocks make the cut? We will break that down right after this short break. First, a quick look at where the market is coming from. Despite global uncertainty and slower earnings growth, benchmark indices held up. The Nifty 50 delivered returns of around 10%, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 gained a modest 5%, the Nifty Small Cap 100 fell about 6%. In short, large caps stayed resilient while the broader market struggled. Motilal Oswal believes India's long-term growth story remains intact and some key drivers are now lining up. A young and expanding workforce, rising digital adoption, greater financialization of household savings, and continued reform momentum. On earnings, the brokerage expects a clear improvement. Nifty earnings growth of about 9% in FY26, rising to 15% in FY27 and FY28. Still, 2026 won't be risk-free. Domestically, investors will be tracking the union budget and government spending priorities, RBI policy decisions and interest rate signals, foreign institutional investor flows. And globally, the focus remains on progress on the US-India trade agreement, the direction of US interest rates, and ongoing geopolitical tensions. Valuations, especially in mid and small cap stocks, will be closely watched. Against this backdrop, Motilal Oswal has built its strategy around four broad themes. Financials, banks, insurers, and capital market firms could benefit from steady credit growth and deeper financial penetration. Consumption, autos, retail, and discretionary spending may gain as demand normalizes. Manufacturing, industrials, and capital goods are expected to see tailwinds from capex and policy support. Digital and healthcare, platform-based digital businesses offer long-term compounding, while healthcare benefits from steady domestic demand and exports. Here are Motilal Oswal Wealth Management's key stock picks for 2026 along with target prices. Bharti Airtel, State Bank of India, HCL Tech, Eternal, TVS Motor, Max Financial Services, Biocon, JK Cement, Poonawalla FinCorp, and Privi Specialty Chemicals. Now, these picks span financials, consumption, manufacturing, digital platforms, and healthcare, reflecting the firm's thematic approach. 2026 may not be about sharp rallies, but about disciplined recovery and earnings-led growth. For investors, the focus shifts away from chasing momentum towards backing quality businesses aligned with long-term themes. For more market explainer stock strategy breakdowns, follow Business Standard.